City leaders are being very careful not to call this a resignation. They say Chief Michael St. Andre voluntarily took paid administrative leave. This was the scene on Tuesday, box after box being hauled out of the Romulus Police Department. It was among 5 raids conducted by the Michigan State Police and the FBI. One of those raids took them here to the police chief's home in Garden City. Now Chief Michael St. Andre is taking a step back.
He's taken an administrative leave of absence at his request, actually. And I think the reason he did it is because he wants this investigation to finally get over.
So far, no arrests have been made, but St. Andre will leave the department for 30 days beginning Monday while the investigation continues. Action News spoke with his lawyer, who says the chief maintains his innocence against any wrongdoing. Tuesday's raid came as a surprise to the mayor, who says the city and police have been cooperating with the state police since the investigation began in 2008.
We initiated this investigation ourselves 2.5 years ago. And for 2.5 years, we've done nothing but cooperate with this investigation. And really, I was surprised by this raid the other day, because if you're cooperating for 2.5 years, I don't feel the need they did what they did.
And again, the mayor does believe that the police chief will return to the job. However, until that time, Sergeant Darren Shelby has been named interim police chief. In Romulus, Smita Kloki, Channel 7 Action News.